Hello friends, Sonja here, and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I am finishing up my Christmas decorating, and I will be decorating my master bedroom. It is the last thing on my list to do, and I can't wait to finish it and show you the final product, I guess. This video is also part of a hop that is hosted by Nicole North Garden, Nicole North Garden Home and Garden, and there will be a link to a next person to hop on over in my description box. So I'm going to do some light cleaning and lots of decorating because I would much rather be decorating than cleaning. So let's get started.
Before I put all new clean sheets on and switch out my Eurosham covers, I am putting this garland on. This garland came from Dollarama, but I thought it was a perfect fit to go up on top of my barn board headboard. I am using tacks just to keep it in place.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
So I wanted to put some fresh linens just because it was time to put fresh linens on, but I also wanted to change out the Eurosham covers from more of a beachy look to more of a softer Christmassy look. Not necessarily Christmas linens or anything like that, but more of the wintry tones. So I'm going with a gray covers for 2 of them and then a white furry one for the 3rd one.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time.
Now to add a bit of red, I have this plaid pillow sham that I had from a while back, and I'm just dressing one of my decorative pillows in that sham pillowcase. And then this little pillow came from Dollarama as well, and I think it's so cute and it looks perfect on my bed.
By the fire and chill, isn't this how it's making our Christmas.
Now moving on to my dresser, and I needed to give it some dusting, and then I just added a whole bunch of DIYs that I've created over the years to it.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
My husband likes his nightstand to stay as clutter-free as possible, and we just have this little bowl on the side of it. So I decided to add some greens, some Christmas greens and berries and pine cones to it, and make a kind of like a Christmas floral arrangement. Now moving on to my fireplace, I have a video on how I created this garland. I will link it in the description box. And so that was there from a while back, and then I just added a couple things to it just to add that woodsy theme plus the punch of red.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door.
For my tall dresser, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this way, but for now it will stay this way.
And maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
The Christmas tree wasn't really working for me, so stay tuned till the end to check out what I did with it.
This Christmas on. It's gonna be you.
Over on my nightstand, I have this bouquet of white roses in a glass bowl, and I still love the way that feels. I think that's kind of goes for any season, but I wanted to add a bit of color to it, so I'm adding some red berries, and then I still wasn't quite happy with the way it looked, so I ended up adding some greenery to it as well.
And in the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end. And somehow we knew.
I end up wrapping the bowl with some burlap just to hide all the stems from showing.
Change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on. This Christmas on. From this.
Over on my little makeup vanity table, which needs to be redone. Let me know down in the comments what color do you think I should paint that, because the white is not working for me very well. But I added this small Christmas tree with some twinkling lights, and I think that's enough for that table, just to allow me to have enough room for to do makeup and skincare. Then over on my bed, I wanted to add another blanket just for those, weekend afternoon naps, to cover myself with a nice comfy blanket. And I have this one. If you watched I think it was one of the Decorate With Me videos, which I will have all of them linked down below, I struggled on how to fold that blanket over on my love seat because it's quite large. So I ended up bringing it up here because I thought it would look better here. I did struggle with it, and I ended up asking my daughter to come and help me out and let me know what she thinks, how I should fold it. So that you will see how I end up folding it at the end as well.
How things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day.
And the last thing that I do is vacuum up my floor, because there was a lot of mess from all the greenery and pigs and the dog and all sorts of stuff.
Come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim the Christmas.
So here it is, and I think it looks so cozy and has that traditional feel, but I absolutely love the way it turned out. Let me know down in a comment what was your favorite part, and also don't forget to hop over to the video that is linked in the description box for your next inspiration, or your next Decorate With Me inspiration. And I would like to thank Nicole for hosting this hop, and I will have her channel linked down below as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
About yesterday, my favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.